Hi guys, here we've got Google Pixel 9 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button, tap and hold them together for more or less 10 seconds. Once your device is off, tap them again. So again, power button and the volume up button. Let me do it one more time. And once you see logo, you can remove finger from power and volume up button and wait till it's rebooted. So that's it. Now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.